Welcome to the future of systematic innovation. Today we're introducing the TRIZ Systematic Innovation Toolkit, a powerful skill pack purpose-built for AI assistants like Claude Code, Copilot, and AMP. It seamlessly blends decades of human inventive wisdom with the raw execution power of modern AI. TRIZ is more than a set of tools, it's a worldview. Its foundation rests on 5 pillars. Examine the whole system with systems thinking, use ideality as your North Star metric, achieve breakthroughs by resolving contradictions rather than compromising, focus on the essence of function, and follow the natural laws of technological evolution. From the classic contradiction matrix to the TRIZ algorithm for extreme challenges, and the AFI tool for risk prediction, this skill pack integrates 22 core tools covering the full journey from diagnosis to implementation. It helps you stand on the shoulders of millions of patent inventors. Why combine AI with TRIZ? We use semantic matching and keyword detection for automatic skill activation and intelligent routing. The AI automatically matches the optimal tool based on your problem's characteristics, and can generate end-to-end analysis reports and patent recommendations, completely replacing inefficient trial and error. This isn't just a collection of documents, it's a layered, interconnected knowledge system. Skill.md serves as your intelligent dispatch center, cheat sheets provide instant reference, the patterns library contains detailed sub-strategies, and 24 chapters offer deep methodological support. For engineers facing specific technical bottlenecks, Route A is your go-to choice. In just minutes, the system completes the full journey from contradiction mapping to solution generation, directly tackling classic trade-off dilemmas like performance improves but temperature rises. If you're a technical manager, Route B helps you plan for the future. Through analysis of 8 major evolution trends, you can predict the direction of next-generation products, formulate a scientific 3 to 10-year technology roadmap, and secure patent positions ahead of time. When everyone is stuck on an intractable problem, Route C activates TRIZ's ultimate weapon, the TRIZ algorithm. Through rigorous logical steps, it decomposes physical contradictions and uncovers breakthrough opportunities where others see nothing. Route D focuses on cost reduction and efficiency improvement. Through function analysis and trimming tools, the AI helps you identify and eliminate redundant components, transferring their functions to existing resources, achieving significant cost savings without sacrificing performance. TRIZ applies to business as well. Route E introduces 12 business dual principles and the IS matrix, helping decision-makers optimize organizational structures and discover asymmetric advantages in market competition. For beginners, Route F provides a systematic learning path. From foundational philosophy to the contradiction matrix, it guides you step by step in building a complete systematic innovation mindset. This is TRIZ's most iconic tool. By mapping your engineering challenges to 39 universal parameters, the contradiction matrix recommends the problem-solving patterns most frequently used by past inventors, giving every insight a solid foundation. Before solving a problem, first understand its essence through function analysis. Combined with resource scanning, we can uncover overlooked free resources within the system, achieving zero-cost performance leaps. The toolkit goes further with automated synergy. The AI can automatically generate detailed analysis reports and even invoke TRIZ AI for patent white space analysis, ensuring your innovation strategy is both forward-looking and competitively advantaged. This toolkit synthesizes wisdom from 8 authoritative works and is now available as open source. Join the developer community and explore the boundless possibilities of innovation together. May the ideality be with you.